My name is Oretola Thomas. I'm a Nigerian-American architect and designer. I'm at Design and Justice Designing Spaces, and we are an architecture and real estate nonprofit, and our focus is to address the root causes of mass incarceration. And what that means is that we're looking at place-based solutions to understand how we can prototype new ways to imagine a world without prisons. So when we were first approached with this idea of being a part of the triennial, one thing we did have in place was the prototype for the reentry housing prototype, which was the Mobile Refuge Room. So we had already built a couple of prototypes, full-scale prototypes of what this design for trauma-informed reentry housing can look like. But outside of that, we still needed to bridge the gap between how this prototype tied in with the larger narrative around the struggles that formerly incarcerated folks often face when they're re-entering into their communities after incarceration. So one of the earlier ideas we had was, what if we took this exhibit as a way to create a snapshot of what a campus that really holistically supported community members coming back home from incarceration could look like. So we're zooming in super close to the living areas where you have these private living spaces centered by a lounge space. And then from there, we kind of built around there how to tell that narrative in a way that told that story in a way that summarizes information that people can understand. This is the context, and here's the potential for what housing that really supported folks returning from incarceration could look like.